Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for nearby sites or sites near a particular place that you have selected on the Maps.me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the first option. Then you can type in the name of the place that you are interested in, but you can also use your location if you want to surf through the results according to the nearby sites. So click on the sites option, and here you are ready to see all of the results of the sites that are near to you, near to your location. These are sorted by popularity, but you can also change it to the first option, near, so you will be able to see these results. And if you are interested in any of these, tap on that relevant location and you are going to see it on the map. You can plan your route to it by clicking on the route to option. You will see the estimated distance and how much time do you need to get there, but this depends on the means of transportation that you are willing to use. You have many options. You can tap on it and then even start your navigation to that place. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.